Stop scrolling if you are preparing for the set. Most students lose easy points on questions exactly like this because they rush and stop too early. In the first equation, we have to move -5 to the right side. It becomes +5. 3x equals 5 plus 4. We get 3x equals 9. Divide both sides by 3. We get x equals 3. Let's substitute x equals 3 to the second equation to find the answer. 2 times 3 minus 2. 6 minus 2 equals 4. Smash that like button if this saved you some time and hit subscribe to Scribe. Set algebra looks terrifying until you realize they are just testing your substitution speed. Let's plug a equals half to the given equation. That gives us 2 times half times b plus 6 times half equals 4. Watch how beautifully this cancels out. The 2 and half cancels perfectly, leaving us just b. b plus 3 equals 4. Let's move +3 to the right side. b equals 4 minus 3. b equals 1. Did you solve it fast using a different method? Smash that like button and subscribe to Scribe. Don't let massive fractions on the set scores you. This looks like a nightmare quadratic problem, but it actually simplifies in seconds. When you see two fractions equal to each other, let's use the cross multiplication. Now let's expand both sides using FOIL. 6x squared minus 9x plus 2x minus 3. On the right side, we get 6x squared minus 2x plus 3x minus 1, which simplifies to 6x squared minus 7x minus 3, which simplifies to 6x squared to x minus 1. Here's the best part. See those 6x squared terms on the both sides. Move them together and they completely cancels out. No quadratic formula needed. We get -8x minus 2 equals 0. Move -2 to the other side. -8x equals +2. Divide both sides by -8. X equals -1/4. Did you expect the x squared terms to disappear like that? This set problem looks like a massive mess of algebra, but it's actually a pure test of your arithmetic under pressure. We are given y equals 4 and x equals 3. We had to substitute these numbers to the given expression. Let's plug them step by step. 4 into power of 3 minus 3 times 3 squared plus 3 times 4 minus 2 times 4 times 3 plus 3. We get 64 minus 27 plus 12 minus 24 plus 3. Let's subtract them. 79 minus 51. We get the final answer 28. Clean and simple. Be honest, did you make a sign error on the -2xy term, or did you get 28 on your first try? This is the ultimate algebra trap on set. Over 80% of students mess this up, not because they don't know how to FOIL, but because of one hidden negative sign. 3x times 2x is 6x squared. Then we get -15x, -8x and +20. Inside the bracket, FOIL gives us 4x squared minus 7x plus 12x minus 21. Combine those middle terms to get 6x squared minus 23x plus 20, which simplifies to 4x squared plus 5x minus 21. Now distribute that negative sign to every single term inside the bracket. -4x squared minus 5x plus 21. Combine like the terms. 6x squared minus 4x squared leaves us with just 2x. -23 minus 5x gives us -28. And 20 plus 21 gives us 41. Be honest, would you have forgotten to distribute the negative sign to the 21? Drop a comment below and let me know.